Hi, I'm Leslie. I'm the RDA here at True Dental Care. Today we're going to talk about how to clean your palate expander. So if you have one of these removable palate expanders, one of the things we talk about when you first get it seated is how to clean it, because you're going to be wearing this 22 hours of the day and it's going to get stinky and gunky. So what we always recommend is to use a toothbrush. Thank you, Gabby. Use a toothbrush. You can do a different one, not just your own. That it's just to brush the appliance. And I always recommend to do Dawn's, like a hand soap, or it could be dish soap as well. So dish soap is preferred. We have Dawn over here, and you're gonna use just regular lukewarm water. So you're gonna wet it first, and then you're going to add a little bit of that dish soap right on the side of like where the palate is rested on. So you're going to use your hands, kind of maneuver it all around. And what you're going to do is just start to scrub. And don't forget to get the little crevice where the keyhole is. That way you remove it from debris and food. The other method of cleaning your expander, I always recommend to do this once or twice a week, is get a bowl or a cup and then fill it up with water all the way, or maybe halfway like this. And you're going to, after scrubbing it down, you can put this right in the bowl, and then you can open up one of these fizzy tablets that we will give you. But you can also find these on Amazon or Target, anywhere. It's kind of like a denture cleaner, and you're just going to let that do its thing and fizz up, and that usually would soak for about 30 minutes. You can do this while you're eating, while you're having dinner, and then as soon as it's done, what you can do is you can remove it out of the bowl and then give it one more little scrub. So that way you ensure to get all of the debris from the keyhole here one more time. And this is kind of like the deep cleaning method. So once you rinse that out, it should be nice and clean, and then it's ready to go back inside your mouth. Another way of cleaning your palate expander and making sure that you're cleaning the keyhole right over here is to just run it under water. And I typically recommend doing this after meals, especially after dinner time. So it's just running it under water. Make sure it's nice and lukewarm, so not completely hot or cold, and rinse it off. Grab a clean toothbrush and then scrub as much as you can. I like to go in circular motions. This already had a little bit of soap, but you can make sure that you're ensuring the bristles actually going inside the keyhole right over here. And then we're going to flip it around. Don't forget the back side. This is where we get a lot of gooky stuff and gunkiness. So again, circular motions. You don't have to go too hard, just enough to remove any of the gunkiness that gets left behind. And then one more time, rinse and rinse. And now you want to make sure that the keyhole is nice and clean.